So here's how to create an Amazon affiliate website on Blogger. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip on any important steps. First, you'll need to log into your Chrome browser. Here, simply search for blogger.com and click on the link at the top. This will take you to the Blogger site, where you'll see the main page. From here, simply click on the new blog option. After that, you need to give your blog a title. Once you've entered the title, hit next at the bottom and simply choose the URL for your blog site and click on the save option at the bottom. Now it's time to customize your blog. Select a suitable Blogger template and customize its design to make your blog visually appealing and user-friendly. Blogger offers various free templates that you can use. To customize your blog, you can select any of these themes, or you can simply open a new tab, install a new theme for your blog site. Once you have installed the Blogger theme to your site, simply go to the Layout option to customize the theme. As you can see, you'll be able to customize your header, menu, footer, and you can also add other sections to your blog. If you want to add a page to your Blogger site, simply click on the Page option and click on Create a New Page. Once your blog is established, you need to log into your Amazon Associates account and generate affiliate links for products you want to promote. Write high quality and engaging content related to these Amazon products. Focus on providing value to your readers and naturally incorporating your affiliate links within the content. Include a clear disclosure on your blog starting that you are part of the Amazon Associates program and that you earn a commission from qualifying purchase made through your affiliate links. You can also promote your blog through social media, SEO optimization, and other marketing strategies to drive traffic to your Amazon affiliate site. So that's how to create an Amazon affiliate website on Blogger.